The Oven Bird, Robert Frost, 1916. There is a singer everyone has heard, loud, a midsummer and a midwood bird, who makes the solid tree trunks sound again. He says that leaves are old and that for flowers midsummer is to spring as 1 to 10. He says that the early petal fall is past, when pear and cherry blossom went down in showers on sunny days a moment overcast. And comes that other fall we name the fall. He says the highway dust is over all. The bird would cease to be as other birds, but that he knows in singing not to sing. The question that he frames in all but words is what to make of a diminished thing.